How to contact customer service in Lazada. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reach Lazada customer service using your iOS and Android device, covering live chat, phone support, email, and using their in-app help features so you can get help with orders, returns, payments, and account issues. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So head over, open the Lazada application. And first, when you open the Lazada application, you're going to head over, click on accounts here at the bottom right, and then you're going to click on settings at the top right. Once you do so, you're going to click on help over here, and then you're going to simply head over to the search bar and you're going to type in contact. Here, search for contact, type in contact and click on this magnifying glass over here. That is the search button. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll be able to see these options: chat with us and hotline. So you can simply call them on their hotline and talk to any customer representative and tell them your issue, or you can click on chat with CS. Click on it and you'll be taken over to the virtual assistant named as Cleo, which is available 24/7, and you can ask your any queries from this assistant and they will answer you. So that is basically how you can contact customer service in Lazada. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.